Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable receiving notifications from apps on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to search for settings. Best result, check them back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. You want to select the system tile and then select notifications and actions underneath system on the left side. And then on the right side where it says get notifications from apps and other senders, click inside of there to toggle that on, and then you can customize additional notification settings down here, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.